Well, what do we got going on today?
When was the Mopar Nationals? August? September?
October 15th,
November,
I believe.
December. So instead of 4 to 6 weeks, it's 4 to 6 months is when you get your QA1 parts. But we're happy they're here. You want to take them over there? Out where we got a little
Sure.
All right.
Yeah, we got.
I think it's disc brakes. I'm hoping.
Yeah, we got the full setup for his 69 Charger. It's a 4-point rear suspension, triangulated, which will go in here, which has been keeping us from finishing the priming, the sealing, and the painting of his Charger, because it requires it to be welded.
Yeah, that was not too bad.
And we can't very well weld over fresh paint. So 4 boxes came a couple days ago.
You want to sit there and film?
Yep, and we're going to open up some boxes and see what we got going on here.
All right, I'm gonna call this the top. You're just as excited as I am, aren't you?
Oh, because I will be buying, when I do my wing car, I'll be buying this set for it as well.
Look at that. It's my birthday. Let's see what this is. This is a bracket. No, looks like spacers. Feel them. You can feel there's 50 of them in there.
Oh yeah, there's, ooh boy, there's spacers are.
And then looks like spacers probably where it mounts to.
Okay.
I don't know for certain anything, so don't take any of this as gospel.
Okay.
Let's check, make sure you're recording in the right aspect ratio. All right. Looks like we're filming correctly.
So we're recording again. Okay.
Yep. This says Precision Products Spring High Travel 2.5-inch diameter. Oh, inside diameter.
Don't cut yourself.
I like that you're not filming me at all. You just film the parts. That's it.
You want me to back off and get you two?
No,
you see your jubilation?
You better back off, mister.
One spring.
Uno. Springero.
That's another one. You don't have to open it.
Yep. High travel spring, 2.5-inch. And foam.
Trash.
And these are probably shocks, I would say.
I would say that.
Well, then say it.
They're shocks. It says go drive it.
Go drive it. Go drive it. This is a... Well, let's take a look at it. See what the spring looks like.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on.
Well, the shock, you mean?
What did I say, spring?
Yeah.
We already saw the springs. Look at that, we got a free sticker with everyone. So it looks like bushings.
Here's your adjuster that screws
Oh,
on.
this is what holds the spring.
Yeah.
Those are the adjustable and like a cam lock right there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's cool.
Save those instructions.
There you go.
QA1.
Let's see. We got a page turner here. We got a page turner here. Got a page turner.
Looks like all the different settings for the different rides.
Yep, cool.
Cool.
Very, very nice. I like that. That looks slick.
Yep.
And join the Go Drive It community.
Cool.
Okay, cool. Another QA1 sticker.
I'd say that one looks the same.
Yeah, I'm gonna call that one the same. And this one is wrap both ends. Says trailing arms kit lower.
Mm. We ordered at the same time, but I ordered the full front suspension, K-member, everything. And mine's not due to ship until the middle of January.
Isn't that what you said? Yeah.
Yeah.
Something crazy.
And the heavy-duty sway bar for the back
Ooh.
is not in yet either.
Those are the trailing arms, I'm taking it.
Yep, I'd say so.
Oh, look, you can grease them too. They got a Zerk fitting.
Yep.
Cool. Liking those.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's throw these back in. Springs.
Yeah. I don't think any of those parts are going to be welded.
No, that's not. If that's a spacer or if that's some sort of a lock
Yep.
or something, maybe it might get welded. I don't know.
We're going to do a full video of him welding it. Those look like the rear calipers for disc brakes.
Is
And
it
those are
caliber or caliper?
calipers.
The caliber of a person is the measure of a man.
Caliber.
The caliper in brakes.
The caliber of gun that I'm going to shoot you with is.
That's caliber for that. Yes.
There's you a bucket of bolts.
Hey, there's too many bolts. I give up.
Oh, there's even more. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
That's too much. That's too many bolts.
You sure you
Look
can?
at these QA1 suspension adjusters. That kind of reminds me of your front. What was
Hotchkiss?
that? Hotchkiss, yeah, adjustments. Super, super light.
Here's.
And all the cam ends are ball joint ends. I don't know.
I guess it's for all your arms and stuff. And
You sure this isn't your front suspension?
no, it's not. Had your name on it.
Okay.
Look like there's your
U-bolts.
U-bolts.
I don't know what this is.
That's something that gets welded.
I'll bet you that is the bar that replaces my Dodge hanger.
Yes, there it is.
Instead of the hanger that just holds one place, this is adjustable. That's my ride height, probably.
There you go.
Yeah, I would think.
Nice, black, powder coated. Looks very nice.
Yeah, now this piece I will probably leave just like it is.
Right.
But these pieces, I'm not painting those.
No,
But the main housing that everything mounts to, I think I'm painting.
those are nice. It's like they're all anodized.
Holds on that.
Yep.
So,
You'll find out where it goes.
yeah, cool. I like the look of them.
Yeah.
Pretty neat. And some little plastic grommets that
Huh.
maybe support a, maybe that's a channel. They're like carbon fiber.
Oh yeah.
They're super tough.
Yep.
Don't go cutting them with the grinder. They'll still cut.
Yeah.
I wonder if the sway bar rides in that
could.
channel.
It could.
There's another couple of them. Yeah.
Yeah, I bet they do.
And then these guys.
Some plates. I bet those are plates to be welded to your rear end.
You think so?
Yeah, they go over.
Like
Yep.
that's weld on the rear end housing,
Yep.
and then this.
That you'll paint. The color of the car.
Yeah.
But see, those aren't powder coated.
Agreed.
That's probably why. Is there more of those in there?
4, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
There's 2 more here.
All right.
Whoop, hold on. Yeah, those are those plastic things.
Okay.
So yeah.
Cool.
Cool. I'm a cool. Like those. Never been so excited at a bag of nuts.
Yeah. Unless they're cashew nuts or something. Those are pretty exciting.
pistachios.
Especially if they're chocolate covered.
Oh, hello. There's more instrucciones and stickers.
Oh, there's your sway bar.
bar.
And I don't think they shipped. Unless it's just mine they don't have. They said they don't know when it's gonna be in.
This isn't a long box, and it
could be in this big long box, but
you want to flip through the pages real quick. There's a YouTube video on it. Who knew?
yeah, we'll have to look it up.
Yeah, we'll probably watch that video as we make a YouTube video.
Wow, look at all those. This looks like the instructions when I put the Hotchkiss suspension on the front of the Challenger.
Yep.
It was all step by step. It was nice too.
Yep. Cool. All right, let's see what's in this one.
I'm telling you, disc brakes.
No.
No. Whoa. There's another piece.
Does my kit come with disc brakes? I thought I did.
Yeah.
I thought I ordered it.
I thought. Maybe not.
This is a heavy duty mount. I don't know where that's gonna go.
There it goes on your rear end. And there's where your U-bolts go.
Oh, that's the shock mount.
Yep.
And shock comes somewhere, and that's
Rear ends
adjustments.
across. Yep.
Huh. Very cool.
Nice and powder coated too. Very pretty.
Yeah, I'll leave those black too.
Yes.
I would say. Okay, so major instructions there.
All right, we got one more bigger, longer box.
This isn't heavy at all, though. That's
No, I know. That's
where I don't see a packing list on anything. And since yours said they weren't shipping the stupid sway bars, I'm like, man, maybe I didn't get everything. Well, that looks like the main housing,
right.
but no sway bars. Yeah, they left that raw so you can weld it.
Yes.
So maybe I will tape all this off, leave that black,
Okay.
and then just paint this body color.
Yeah.
Just this metal.
Yep. That's why they left that.
So I'll tape this
Yes.
after I've welded everything. I mean, tape it all off because I'm gonna weld it.
Yeah. And this will goes along probably the frame rail.
Well, let's go look.
Bring it with you.
Wow.
We need a light. Hang on. Oh, you're gonna spin it over the other way?
Yeah.
The beauty of, wait a minute. Okay, I thought you were gonna hit your fender over there.
I think there's room. Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
Okay.
All right, stay up, but I gotta tighten it because it's
Yeah.
gonna want to fall off.
Snug.
Snug.
I don't guess we need that. Okay.
Where does this go?
I'd say right, yeah.
Oh, hold on. Maybe it goes tapered in back. Probably right in there somewhere.
Yeah.
Probably a secret handshake.
Yeah.
And maybe expand that out a smidge because that's going to be tight. But it looks like it follows that angle.
Yeah. It doesn't go back here, does it?
No way.
Opposite way. No, spin this. There you go. See right there. Yeah, well, that would be going forward though. So flip it. Yeah, there you go. I'm thinking that's where it goes. No, maybe not. No, I think it was
this
right.
could be right.
No, I don't think so. No, cause see, look, there's a bracket right there you had it right, I think.
Yeah, up in like that. is probably nestles all the way up against the frame rail here.
Probably.
And I might need to pound out a little bit. Looks like mine is a little bit torqued right there. You can see I might need to pound that down or squeeze that together a little bit.
Yeah.
It might be a little tight. But I think it sits up in there like that.
Yeah, look, that does look pretty good.
I don't know about that pretty part.
Oh yeah, maybe it's good, but
And then this one. Oh yeah, you can see how that's kind of forcing this up a little bit right there.
yeah.
So yeah, I'll have to get some coaxing out. And
Right.
you got your coaxer on you? You got that tool?
I got the tool, that hydraulic spreader.
The persuader.
It's close the way it is right now, but
All right, cool.
cool.
Well, that is.
Is that all that's in there?
I believe that's it. Yeah, no sway bar. So they didn't
Nope.
ship me a sway bar either.
Okay.
And that actually welds in as well. So I think I'm still stuck. It's awesome that I've got all these, but I don't have my Willwood brakes.
Well, I guess you're gonna have to buy those separate. I don't know.
I thought it came with, I'll have to look at the receipt, but
That goes around. No, there's the dip.
the dip? What's, oh, there it is.
Yeah. I say it doesn't really matter. You're going to be getting that out welded here in the next, probably this weekend.
All right. So I will
4 boxes
I'll have to look and see.
on the receipt.
But yeah, I don't think
Here, I've got a receipt.
the Willwood.
I'll
Oh,
pull yours up. Gotta have the old spectacles first.
oh, get your new present right there.
What new present?
New faves
New faves. Uh-oh.
coming into a new era.
Oh, look at this.
They're super magnification, so you can't like wear them to look at anything.
Wow.
But
I can see.
yeah,
All
got
right.
some decent glassers.
Wow. My new look. Okay, under photos, we have those receipts. There are 2 of them together.
There's 2 right
Nope.
there. No,
That's there they are right here. QA1. This is Chris,
that's me. Yeah, I wrote that.
and you got front sway bar, rear 4-link adjustable, double adjustable shocks, and that's it. You didn't get brakes, drilled rotors.
Front brakes.
Nope.
So I got the 1705 and that, which was
The rear
double
4-link
adjustable shocks, rear 4-link system.
and the rear sway bar was on special.
Okay, so no
And I got the
brakes.
front system adjustable. Wait a minute.
I don't know if it'll even show up on the phone.
There
So
it is.
I might cut all this
There's
out.
what I got, which was the 38, the sway bar, and then down here, see, I got the $1,000 red 4-piston rotor setup.
I see.
Willwood.
Okay. That's
So
front brakes. I wonder if they don't do the rear disc on this.
maybe they don't. Well,
Yeah, there's kits. There's something.
probably.
Okay.
All right, that's it for
What, QA?
for QA1 episode 1. Going to be a lot more as we weld and start putting the shocks on. Well, you won't. Just as you weld and get it set up to where it's in, now you can start painting your car. Then it'll go to maybe a little more priming, final sanding because it's been sitting for a while.
Yeah, I gotta
And
basically sand the whole car
Seal it,
again.
seal it, and get ready to paint it red.
Yep. Getting closer and closer.
Closer and closer.
Cool.
The
Thanks for
car's
watching,
getting
everybody.
closer too, so
Oh,
that'll
yeah.
be another video.
This one's getting better too. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.